special guest in the building by the name of Constantine. The livest audience, you know what I'm talking about. And we got my boy Constantine here looking right at us.
What's up, ladies?
Definitely got a lot of love out here, Constantine. A ladies' man in the building, you know what I mean? But you looking great in that purple. What's out of the purple shirt?
That's it.
No, you look great though. But so far so blessed you been, because word on the street you was signed with Akon.
Definitely, I just did. Convict Gang, let's go. Akon, what it do?
So tell us exactly how that came about.
It just came about as, you know what I mean, me grinding, pushing out my self-entitled mixtape. And he loved one of the songs off my mixtape. And, you know what I mean, he told me to come through the video shoot, came through. And we've been handling business ever since and making songs and all that. So, you know, we've been working.
Right, and it's just been snowballing into an awesome situation. You got this great song, which I'm going to let you introduce it, featuring YG. Tell me about how that came to be.
The song's called Make Me Wait. Ladies, check it out. You know what I mean? It's a great song. But that came about through my manager, Robin Hood. He linked me up with YG. And me and YG became homeboys. And YG came through and did a song for me. And now, you know what I mean? It's a single. We shot a video. Got lots of views on YouTube. And here we are today.
Definitely. It's an awesome video, awesome song. Go ahead and once you tell them what it is.
I love you too, baby. Hey, everybody check out my new song. It's called Make Me Wait, featuring YG. Bo Honey.
I'm in the club, popping bottles. 5 minutes later, I seen a model. She remind me of a heater, but she hotter. She love Gucci and my shoes Gucci, so I got her. Told her my name, made her holler. Spit a little gang.
Hey, it's your girl Armani, also known as Maserati Money. You know, I call myself Maserati Money because it goes good together, just like me in that stage on 106 & Park. You feel me? I grew up watching 106 & Park, so I know exactly what 106 & Park needs. Me. Mwah. You know, you need everything that I was born with. I could tell you all these fancy things, but I'm going to just tell you straight up from the heart and where it comes from. You feel me? This is a passion that I've developed over time in my life, and a lot of things that I've been through. I decided I love to travel. I love to get to know people. I love to turn it up. You feel me? I love to be in positive situations. And 106 & Park is definitely a place for me to be and bring my craft to. 106 Park needs everything that I was blessed with, baby, period. My swag, my smile, my soul, my spirit. You feel me? I just got this spirit that a lot of people want to meet and get to know. You feel me? And come around and be around and stay around and sometimes even become like my spirit that God blessed me with, period. And I know that's exactly what 106 & Park needs, baby, period.